Hello students. Now very most important topic, that is how to find out geometrical isomerism. How to find out geometrical isomerism in symmetrical system or in symmetrical compounds. So already we discussed in unsymmetrical compounds. Now second one, in case 2, how to find out geometrical isomerism in symmetrical system. In symmetrical system, here two cases are there: if n value odd numbers and even numbers, odd numbers and even numbers. If n value, if n value is odd is there, if n value odd, that is if n value odd is there, what is the geometrical isomerism formula? Number of geometrical isomerism formula is 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2. It is a simple trick, student. It is a simple formula how to calculate geometrical isomerism in symmetrical compounds for odd numbers. What is odd numbers? I will discuss next one. So now here, now in number of geometrical isomerism in symmetrical compounds for odd numbers, simple formula 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2. So here, and one more condition here in this compound, in symmetrical system terminal group also should be same, but in unsymmetrical system terminal group should be different in unsymmetrical compounds, but in symmetrical compounds terminal group should be same. Terminal group should be same. This is the main important conditions of geometrical isomerism in symmetrical system, student. How to find out the geometrical isomerism given compound? Now take the, I gave one example. So this is the example: CH3, CH double bond, then CH single bond, CH double bond, then CH single bond, then CH double bond. So here total number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbons are there. 8 carbons are there and 3 double bonds are there. So how many geometrical isomers are possible? So first, what about that n value 3? What is odd means what? That is, so here odd means number of double bond, that is not correct. Odd means number of double bond, that is not correct way. So here in double bonded carbon, in carbon double bond is there, this double bonded carbon connected with one methyl group is there, one H is there, so it will show the geometrical isomerism. Next one here, in second, next carbon, this double bonded carbon having one hydrogen is there, this complete what is that, what is the one group, so this will show, this is also will show geometrical isomerism. And this is and this compound also will show geometrical isomerism. Why? Because of this double bonded carbon having connected with one hydrogen, this complete one carbon, and right side also this double bonded carbon connected with one hydrogen, one methyl group. So these three double bonds are will show geometrical isomerism. So that's why this n value 3. So one more thing, student, is very most important, student. All double bonds are not show geometrical isomerism. One more one more thing. All double bonded carbons will not show geometrical isomerism. It is very most important point. So here n value means 3. 3 means what? Number of, not number of double bonds. This is not correct way. So now number means what? How many compounds will show geometrical isomers? How many double bonded carbons will show geometrical isomers? Here in this compound, 3 double bonded carbons are will show geometrical isomerism. That's why it is n value 3. So one more thing, student, here in symmetrical system, what is the condition here? And terminal group should be same. Here this is the terminal carbon, this is double bonded, next left side this terminal carbon, this is terminal group, CH3 group, left side is CH3 group is there, and right side terminal group also CH3 group. These both are methyl groups are same. So that's why these are the, what is the condition? Terminal group should be same. So if it is the, these both are the terminal group, left side one methyl group is there, right side also one methyl group is there, both are same group present in the terminal group. So that's why it is the, and one more condition for in symmetrical system. So here n value 3 means, what about n value means number of double bonded carbon will show geometrical isomerism. So that's why it is the n value 3. So these are the important, students, here n value means what? That is number of sides. N value means number of sides will show geometrical isomer. So here 3 sides are there. Site means what? That is double bonded carbon. This double bonded carbon, this is also double bonded carbon, this is also double bonded carbon. 3 double bonded carbons will show geometrical isomerism. So that's why it is the n value 3. Now substitute the value. What is the formula of odd number formula? Number of geometrical isomers for odd numbers. in symmetrical system. So what is the formula? 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2. So now substitute the n value. Substitute the n value in the formula. So now 2 into, what is the n value at 2 to the power n minus 1? N means what? Number of, n means what? 3. The 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 minus 1. Here what about this n value? Means substitute the n value 3. Here substitute the n value 3 minus 1 plus 2 to the power n value here also 3. So n value already we know 3 minus 1 by 2. So what is the final conclusion? 3 minus 1 means 2 only. So 2 square plus here final calculation 2 power 1. So here total geometrical isomer 2 2s are 4 plus 2. Total geometrical isomerism given compound 6 geometrical isomers are possible. In this given in this conclusion, what is the final product is 6 geometrical isomers are possible. In 6 geometrical isomers are possible in this given compound. So here n value 3, substitute the n value 3 in this following compound. So here what is the final compound? 6 geometrical isomers are possible in this given symmetrical compounds. And one more in case 3, students. In case 3, if n value, in case 3 if n value even, even means what is even? Means number of double bonded carbons. Even numbers, that is even numbers, that means 2 4 6 8 like that. Double bonded carbons 2 is there, that is even number. So 2 4 6 8 like that. So if number of geometrical isomers for even number, what is the formula? 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n by 2 minus 1. Simple trick, student. It is this formula for symmetrical compound. This formula for symmetrical compound for even numbers. 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n by 2 minus 1. N by 2 minus 1. So now take the example for geometrical isomerism. Find out the geometrical isomers in given compound. So here total number of carbons 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 carbons are there. It is the symmetrical compound. How to find out the symmetrical or unsymmetrical? Take the two half of, if we cut it here, if cut this compound here, two halves, equal halves are there, that is symmetrical. 1 2 3, and right side also 1 2 3. So two half is there, that is called symmetrical compounds. So here what about this one, n value? What is how to find out that n value? In this compound, this is a double bonded carbon. This double bonded carbon, this carbon connected with one hydrogen, one methyl group, and right side carbon also connected with one hydrogen, this complete one compound. So this double bonded carbon will show geometrical isomerism. This double bonded carbon will show geometrical isomers. And next double bonded carbon, this CH double bond CH, this double bonded carbons will show geometrical isomerism. Why? Because of this connected with one hydrogen, this connected with one methyl group, and so this is also will show geometrical isomerism. So in symmetrical system, what is the condition? A terminal group should be same, and in this compound here both our terminal groups are same. Left hand side is CH3 group is there, right side also CH3 group is there. So both methyl groups are same. So what is the condition? Terminal group should be same. So this is also, these both are equal, both are same terminal group, that is also one condition. So here what is the n value? N means what is the n value? N means what? That is not a double bond, so not double. What is the n value? Number of sites where is the geometrical isomers is possible. So here number of sites means number of double bonded carbons will show geometrical isomer. Here two double bonded carbons will show geometrical isomerism. Two double bonded carbon will show geometrical isomerism. So that's why it is n value 2. So one more thing, all double bonded carbons will not show geometrical isomerism. So it is very most important simple trick. All double bonded carbons will not show geometrical isomerism. So this is the n value 2. This is the even number. I gave the even number formula how to find out geometrical isomerism in symmetrical system for even number. Number of geometrical isomerism formula 2 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 to the power n by 2 minus 1. This is the simple formula, student. So now substitute these values. For n value is here in this formula. What is the n value? N value is 2. So substitute that n value. 2 into, that is 2 to the power 2 minus 1 plus 2 to the power n value here 2. N means what? 2. N value 2 is there. So 2 by 2, that is equal 2 by 2 minus 1. So here 2 minus 1, that is equal to 2, and 2 to the power 2 by 2 minus 1, that value equal to 1. So yet this total final answer is 3. So here in this compound 3 geometrical isomers are possible. So in even number even number compound will show geometrical isomers. Here total number of geometrical isomers in given compound to find three geometrical isomers are possible in this given compound. Three geometrical isomers are possible. So it is very important. This is very most important for NEET and JEE and other competitive exams also. Student, if you like my video, please like and share and comment. Thank you, and please do the subscribe my channel. So these are the how to find out geometrical isomerism in symmetrical system. So thank you. If you like my video, please like and share, comment. Thank you.